You need to get stuff done, but you just feel so unmotivated. So you procrastinate. Maybe it starts with one funny cat video, and instead of researching for your thesis, you end up watching interviews with psychopaths. Well, I think we all have these days where we just feel unmotivated. But to get you back in your productive zone, here are a few tips. I hope I can help you with it. I'm Mia. First of all, count your wins. Count all your wins you have achieved in the last time and write it all down. So you remind yourself you're really capable of being super productive. Do you remember how you felt achieving those goals? I bet you felt a rush crossing something off of your to-do list. So go ahead and write down all your recent wins to remind yourself that you are a productive human being. Number 2, write down a future description of yourself. Where do you want to be in 1 year? On 5 years? Or maybe in 10? For example, Anna, 30 years old, wrote 2 books. One about productivity, one about minimalism. She's a yoga teacher and she's a productivity coach. She lives in her bohemian house close to the beach. Something like that. Just write something down. It doesn't have to be accurate. Just what you want to be in a few years of time. You can even write yourself a letter in 3 months. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to be? Be totally right. Be crazy. Write it down. Don't stop yourself. Don't limit yourself. So you really get productive and feel this rush, what you want to do, where you want to focus your energy. So you get clear on your goals. And this is also fun. I do it on a regular basis. Number 3, define what bothers you. Sometimes we feel stuck because a little thing is just not in the right order. Maybe your desk is messy. Maybe your room is a mess. Define what is stopping you and tackle this. Take this 5 minutes before you start to work and clean your desk, clean up your room, tidy up your room so it doesn't bother you. But maybe something else is bothering you. Maybe you feel too tired. Take a nap. Write down what bothers you the most. Write down what bothers you and act on it. Now, number 4, structure your week. Sometimes we don't feel like time is passing by. So write one thing down you want to accomplish today. So define one task and do it now. Number 4, maybe you're overwhelmed because your to-do list is just too long. So take out your agenda and write one task down. The one task you want to accomplish today. If the task is too huge, for example, self-publish a book, split it down. Write 1 page. Google how to self-publish. So you're just not so overwhelmed. You need to know how to start this task. So define it. And don't get overwhelmed by this long to-do list. Focus on one important task and accomplish it today. If you do this and focus on one task a day, so you will accomplish 7 to-dos in 1 week. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you will also enjoy my productive playlist to get you really inspired and motivated so you can achieve so much more. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching.